Congratulations and welcome to the World of Investment. First of all, I would like to thank each one of you for buying this course as you made the best decision of your life starting off the journey on investment, as your life is going to change. Since you bought this course, as you believed in me, I promise to make your journey with me extremely meaningful and structure oriented. I would like you to complete this entire video first, where I am going to map you the entire journey for the next 90 days. And then after that, I would like you to start the actual course. Right now, the access to this course is for lifetime, and whatever future updates I do to these courses, you don't have to pay anything extra. The beauty of this course is I keep updating them on a constant basis. So as long as you are staying connected to this community and going to the learnings multiple number of times, you can get the best value from this course. I would like to tell you that you are not alone in this journey. There are many other people in this journey with you. Due to my experience in investing journey since last 17 years, I have created strategies which work for many people like you. I request you to be with me wholeheartedly, as this path will reward those who put mind and soul into it. I truly believe in this process and I want you to be a part of it. In this journey, you will have self-discovery about investing principles and will be amazed when you apply those principles. You simply reap returns to the power of investing. If anybody asks me, is there any additional investment there besides this course, I would say yes. I require your investment in terms of time, efforts, knowledge, as well as investment in terms of money, so that you can practically learn it. I can teach you skills as an investor or trader, and you will imbibe that knowledge, but unless you put it to practical use, you are not going to learn it the hard way. The intent of recording this video is to lay the foundation of investing very strong. In case your foundation is not strong, it's like building castle on a sand. No matter what criteria you select, if the basics are not clear, it's bound to crash. Whatever returns you want to achieve, like 2 times, 3 times, 5 times, or even 10 times, it's very much achievable if you have the foundation elements in place. That's what I am going to reveal in this journey. So please take out your notepad, pen and paper, and please take notes. Below are the links to all the networks. Click on those links and join after you watch this video, not right now. Have you all grabbed pen and paper? I give you few seconds, go and grab it. I trust you have done it. Now let's dive into this journey and move on. How things goes for you as far as investing journey is concerned. If you have attended my webinar, 3 elements that have actually helped me succeed, that help me generate from 15 to 20% returns to more than 5 times to 10 times returns. I am just an ordinary guy. I don't have any special powers, no superpowers, nothing of that stuff. Only thing I focus is investing by studying markets, companies and systematic investment plan, which is altogether a fun. 3 secrets that made me happen, which I told you on a webinar. I want to recap that. This there on the slide. First secret is to learn to look for quality businesses and not stock. Don't fall for investment tips. Investors must learn to read companies' annual reports, understand financial terms, look for the quality business. An important characteristic that one should look how much free cash flow the firm is generating in medium to long term. Companies that generate cash are superior to the companies who consume cash. Similarly, companies that can grow without requiring any capital investment are attractive. Companies have an advantage with respect to other companies, say in form of low cost or any patent or high capital investment or any brand generating cash on an ongoing basis. If the company reinvests those cash wisely, then it can generate more cash. Take for example, if I say you invest in any property which appreciated from say 50 lakhs to 75 lakhs, and you can reinvest the 75 lakhs amount wisely, which can give you nice appreciation in the near future. So those companies who can reinvest that cash, we have to search for those firms which can compound those cash flows in this fashion. Don't be cheap ever on the way to greatness. You want to become great, you have to add more value. You have to earn a lot of money. You cannot act cheap. Cheap, I mean, when I used to be a kid, I used to download pirated software. I used to be tight-fisted with money. And the day I started to invest my money in learning, whether they are courses, tools, software, books, whatever I'm doing, is the law of karma. Whatever goes around comes around. I can see my investment grow. For example, I bought lakhs of rupees of courses and invested my learnings in last 17 years. I actually spent more than 10 lakhs over the years on my investment educational trainings. I got to this system of learnings. I surrendered myself into the system. Because you have paid me. You don't have to pay me in lakhs. Because you have got a good deal over here. Most important is what I have learned, I want to share with all of you at a fraction of cost. My mission is to get as many as people with this knowledge, and everyone can make a living out of it. So I have taken the essence of all the lakhs of money I have invested and converted into an XML formula based course that anybody can implement and get result. Once you implement this system, no one can stop you from achieving extraordinary results, so don't be cheap on the way to greatness. Towards the end of this course, I will give you an overview of second level that I will tell you more about that, and if you feel that is the right skill for the course, you can go for it because it's the value exchange that's gonna happen. Second secret is your behavior plays the most important role. Investing in stock markets is a high risk, high reward business. While the majority of small investors lose money in the stock markets in India, a small percentage of investors have managed to create massive wealth from stock market. So what is the reason why only a tiny percentage of retail investors are successful in Indian stock markets? The key here is the behavior of the stock market investor. Psychology is the study of the mind, how it works and how it affects the behavior. Studying investor behavior can help you prevent terrible investment mistakes. Investing mistakes can be costly and even losses, even if the stock market performs well or is in a bull run phase. Different investors have different mindsets. In broader terms, they can be classified into optimists and pessimists. Optimism fuels a bull run in the stock market, whereas pessimism leads to a bear market. When the stock market is in a bull phase, investors become greedy after observing that 50 rupees share has rallied to 100 rupees share. Now they start to buy, and the share prices touches rupees 150, making it overpriced. In a correction phase, when the stock price comes down to rupees 80, investors see a sharp fall. Pessimism starts to surround them, which leads to fear and they start booking losses. In this case, investors who have entered the stock at 100 rupees have not sold at 150 and sold it at 80 rupees suffers a loss of 20 rupees per share. So most of the investors wait further and fall in the losers trap. When the stock further falls to rupees 50, investors are in dilemma whether to exit entirely by booking massive losses or wait for a bounce back to an exit. If the investors exit at rupees 50, ends up losing 50% of his invested capital. Such situations are very common among stock market investors who follow the herd mentality. The basic rule for success in stock markets in India or anywhere in the world is to buy at low price and sell at high price. Even though this looks pretty simple, most investors make mistakes while following this rule. On the contrary, they purchase stocks at high prices, then they sell them off when the prices are being converted into losses and end up blaming the markets. Have you heard of legendary investors such as Warren Buffett, Benjamin Graham, Mark Mobius, George Soros, and Peter Lynch? Unusual psychological traits, including the ability to think differently from others, has made them one of the wealthiest persons in the world. If you follow the herd mentality and do what majority of the small investors do in stock markets, you may make some modest gains in the short term, but incur huge losses over the long term. However, if you want to be successful in the markets, you must think and act like successful investors in the market. It requires is a change in your attitude and a clear vision. Third secret is know how to value a company. Say if a house is worth 40 lakhs and someone gave you an opportunity to buy it for 60 lakhs, would you take it? Of course not, because that's 20 lakhs more than it's worth. Same is in the case of stock market. Finding a right stock is one thing, but figuring out whether the actual value is more or less than the stock price is another thing. By analyzing the fundamentals of the company like earnings, revenue and assets, we can arrive at the true value of the company. If the true value is more than the current price, then stock is undervalued and worth investing in the company. If the true value is less than the current price, it means overvalued and one should not invest in the company till the true value becomes more than the price at that time. Also choose the right tools and parameters to be used in valuing the stock. Systems work but people fail. If people are let on their own, they will not be succeeding. If people can follow the system, then tools will work for them. The entry exit point determines what price to buy and what price to sell. Successful investing is not just about buying at the right time or holding for a long term, but also exiting when the tide turns against the company. In order to master the third secret of investing in stock market, you need to do these two simple things. Identify a good stock after doing a thorough and in-depth analysis from large number of companies. Buy that good stock at a very good bargain. If you may have heard, there are many companies who invested in other companies, so we think they are good investments, right? But in fact, they won't make you money. If the acquired companies had acquired companies at higher values, say in 2008, Tata Motors acquired Jaguar Land Rover. It was negative for Tata Motors as the deal was overpriced. In 2008, Tata Motors share price falls because of 2008 crisis as well as the deal was overpriced. Once you know how to value a company, you know what it's worth, and then you can buy the stock for a great price. So I give you a recap for all the three secrets. First secret, learn to look for quality business and not stock. Jim Rohn said, formal education will give you a living, but self-education will give you a fortune. I constantly keep updating my knowledge, my skills, and I make those investments. You should look for businesses that can scale and must do the research before putting your hard-earned money. Second secret is your behavior plays the most important role. Your psychology determines your success or failure in stock markets. Just ignore the short-term ups and downs of the stock markets. Think long-term and think big. Invest in quality stocks and let your money work for you. Third secret is know how to value a company. Buying and selling at the right price is all matters. System work but people fail. If you follow the investing system which I am gonna give you, I will guarantee you the success. And the passion and determination you will be able to go it will ultimately determine your results. So here is the Investors Lifestyle Hub affirmations. We live by some affirmations: freedom, growth, clarity, efficiency, and contribution. First is freedom. Freedom to live and run the business from anywhere in the world. We don't require any offices, any employees to run the business. Just need any laptop and internet connection so that you can operate from any place in the world. Second is growth. Learn, do, and teach simultaneously is the fastest way to grow. If you help each other, you can learn from each other and you can make sound investment decisions through collaboration. Third is clarity. Clarity in your strategy, communication, and mentoring. There will be inner circle calls in our community. So there is no reason you will fail until unless you quit. Fourth is efficiency. Speed of implementation. Taking quick action with precision and focus. The time you put into action, how fast you can do that is going to determine your results. Money loves speed. If I procrastinate anything by a day, it will go by a week, and for a week it will go by a month. And if I procrastinate by a month, it will go by a year. So don't waste time, be fast. Don't look for perfectionism. One of my friends said, version 1 is better than version 1. And if you're going on this journey, do your first version and then you will be improving later. Last is contribution. None of the above 4 make sense until unless we make charity or cause. 10% of whatever we make should go for charity, and if you're not doing now, I want you everyone the 10% the day you start making money for this course. Make the list of charities and causes you believe in, which I am doing till date. My intention of this course is not only to make the best output for this course, but also to contribute to the community givers. And the people who are struggling in this business who do not contribute, because if you are attached fisted with money, you are not creating the flow. So these are the main affirmations of the community. First habit all community members should follow is I want everyone to hear this. I am affirmations audio.
I make room for
It's a
even
30
more
minutes audio,
abundance.
which you have to hear every single
I
day.
can notice if I'm aligned with money's frequency by
It
how
will
good I
reprogram
feel.
your mind.
The more I see myself having more money, the more money I get. I am grateful for the ability to manifest money on a regular basis. My inner guide leads me towards working opportunities. I choose to be positive about my financial state. I know that the universe is working on creating a successful and abundant life for me. I always have more money than enough for anything I need. Money comes to me when I am calm and detached. I allow myself to be abundant in any way. I attract more money by sharing it with those in need.
Right now we have an operating system which is outdated operating system. And if we install new software in outdated operating system will crash. That's why people fail, because they buy course after course and they forget to update their operating system and they ask why the course is not working for them. Now, second habit to follow is to write down your goal in your notebook every single day. Here is my goal notebook and I'm writing my goals every single day. I'm seeing the magic of it and I'm doing it on a daily basis. Lastly, often I do events, so attend all of that. So currently you are in silver member level. You have bought the investor growth model. You have bought this particular course. Now I'm going to show you the chart of various levels of investments where you have to keep upgrading your skills and knowledge and put it to practical use. So here is the investor growth journey chart. Currently you are in silver level, that is investor growth model. Then comes gold level, that is investor growth challenge, and the lastly comes diamond level, that is investor growth expert. So in silver level, I'm going to explain you the basic concepts of investing so that you will get a clear idea of the investment framework and how to deal with investment mistakes through your mind, as your mind plays one of the most important factor on emerging as an investor and you feel the change in you. Second level is a gold level, which is an upgrade level of silver level, that is investor growth challenge, in which I'm going to tell you in depth how to look for the company management and its financials. Last level is diamond level, that is investor growth expert, in which anyone wants to know about the company valuations, portfolio allocation or risk management at a deeper level, and one can opt for that. This level is not mandatory, but I want all of you to complete silver level and gold level. And once you complete both these levels, you will notice the change of the stock market and you will see it from a different perspective. Now your first step is to complete the investor growth model. Day 1 is today. Then day 2 will open up, and finally day 3. Complete all the videos. All I am expecting from you is 30 to 40 minutes of time daily for the next 3 days. And if you do with focus, you will succeed. This is your entire investment journey. Take your time at your own pace. The only person you have to compete is with yourself. If others are running fast, it does not mean that you are not on the right track. Results will come sooner or later. It all depends upon your dedication and the implementation speed. Each one's journey is different, and you have to respect that each one of it is unique in its own way of conducting things. If you stay connected in this system and this community, you can grow very, very fast. Thank you so much. This is just the orientation video. Click on the links below, join the Telegram group, join our Facebook group, and any other events coming in due course of time. So join and let's be collaborative for the rest of your life till the rest of my life. I am there to support you on this journey. We are on this journey together, as it's a lifelong relationship, and please come back every day and complete the steps. Complete all your videos before you go to sleep. Tomorrow come and complete the day 2 videos, and day after come and complete the day 3 video. I want to see how committed you are in this journey. So now I'm gonna be signing off. Thank you so much. Wish you all the very best. Bye bye.